This brand is owned by A.O. Smith and is sold through hardware and home improvement stores in Canada. The units use hot surface ignition, which is more reliable and requires less maintenance than spark ignition systems, and they have built-in heat traps to minimize heat loss through the water lines when hot water is not being used. The power vent models are basic power vented water heaters with a 0.73 efficiency rating, while the Envirosense SF models are high efficiency units with 0.86 rating, and the Polaris models are their most energy efficient with a 0.90 efficiency rating. The Envirosense and Polaris models feature a spiral heat exchanger which keeps the hot gases from combustion in the tank longer so that more heat is extracted. They have advanced electronic controls but use basic enameled tank technology, and the guarantee is not very good when compared to some of the other brands. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.